Hello, this is question 1 of homework 3, and let's do it. So, question A, find B so that P x equals K represents a probability mass function, which means that the answer is B should find the B that let this be K P which K minus from 1 to infinity. So if this is a probability mass function, then all of the k of x plus together, it should be equals to 1. So we should find the answer to this, and let's find the b of this. So we know that when we do this, when we sum up k from 0 to infinity, and p k times it equals to 1 minus p and 1. So let's do differentiation of each other. So we will get this. And we know that when k equals 0, this side equals 0. So it is equals to this. So if we take out the k equals 1, k equals 0, it is the same. So now we can look at this and this. So this part is are both k from 1 to infinity, and this k, k, p, and k minus 1. So we now, if this side multiply a b and this side multiply a b, this equals to 1. So now we can get b equals to 1 minus p and 2 times of it. So this is the answer of b. Now let's do the question b. Find the ex. So what is ex? Ex means that mm, the k multiply the probability. So means x multiply the probability, which means the x, p, and sum up together. So this is x equals k, and the p is b k p k minus 1, k from 1 to infinity. So this is what we should get is this, and now we know what is b, and now we just calculate what is this part. So from this part we can get it from this one. We all know that this is, and if we multiply p on both sides, so this is not k minus 1 and this is p, and we do the differential on each side again. Now we can get, so this is k 2 times and p k minus 1, and the right side is Now, what we want to get is this part, and now we get it, and we just multiply b on both sides, and this is a b, so we know that b is this, so just multiply it on it. Now we get the answer of question B. Now we look at question C, find EX 2 times. So it is just same as above, x 2 times multiply b, and this is k 3 times multiply b, and p k minus 1. So we want to get this as the same as above. Now we just calculate the first part is that this part. So k 2 times p k minus 1 equals, and we just like the same, we just multiply p on both sides, so this is not k minus 1, this is multiply p, and we do the same differential on each side, so this is, and the right side is this. So what we want to get is there, and we just multiply b on both sides, and we can get the answer is this. So this is the answer to question C. And question D, find EX 2 times minus EX 2 times. So this is, so we already get this. This is this part. And EX, we got it on this part. So we just do a minus, so the answer is this. Now we look at the question 5. So let P equals 1 over 3 and find the conditional probability mass function, which is Px equals k and x between 2 and 5. So what we want to calculate is that Px equals 2k and x between 2 and 5. So this is, we can turn it to this formulation is that Px equals to k, while x between 2 and 5, and over this part. So this is uh, k from 2 to 5, and Px equals to k. So we just calculate this part, and we know that if P equals 1 over 3, then B equals 4 over 9. So if we want to calculate this part, we just take B and P into it, so we can get that it means 4 over 9 plus 2 plus this is 1k equals 2 and plus 1k equals 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 0.538. And now we can get this part. Just take this part into the answer. So the answer is BKP over this part, which is 0.538. So this is 0. And multiply k and multiply p, which is 1 over 3, k minus 1 times, where k equals 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the answer to question E.